just really noticing, Karen, it's very cold.
It has certainly been a cold start, Lou. Good morning, everyone. -5.2 in Farnborough in Hampshire, so frosty in the south, but we do have some clear skies across southern England, as you can see from Kent. But today it's going to be cloudy for most of us. Where we've got the clear skies, the cloud is going to build. We also have a weather front moving southwards across Scotland. That's introducing some patchy rain, and eventually it will get into Northern Ireland as well. So here's our bright start, our sunny start in the south. As we move north, there's a lot more cloud. Some breaks in that cloud at the moment across northeast Scotland, but it won't be long before our weather front sinks south, bringing its rain with it. Some showers across Northern Ireland, across parts of Northern England, into Wales as well. A few close to the Midlands and East Anglia. And again, if you're just heading out, perhaps you're going to do your exercise, do wrap up warmly because it's a chilly start. Now through the day, you can see how we've got that cloud building, still a few showers knocking around. And here's our weather front sinking down into southern Scotland and Northern Ireland, leaving some brighter skies in its wake. Temperatures 8 to about 10 degrees, and the wind today not particularly strong. But that's going to change as we go through the evening and overnight. The wind is really going to start to pick up across Scotland in particular, blowing in a lot of showers. Meanwhile, our weather front sinks a little bit further south. So for England and for Wales, we are looking at a bit more cloud, but nowhere should have any issues with frost. As we go through tomorrow then, a windy day across the board, but we're also going to see quite a significant wind chill across Scotland, with the showers increasingly wintry on the hills and the mountains, but in some of the heavier ones, we could see them down to lower levels temporarily. You can also see that in Northern Ireland for that matter, but for Wales and for England, quite a bit of cloud around, some sunnier breaks, and we still are in the milder air, although again, it is going to be windy wherever you are. On Friday, we've got the remnants of our weather front in the south, still mild here, still 1 or 2 showers. And after a bright start, we'll see more cloud bubble up through the course of the day. Wind, though, is going to ease, and we still will have some of those wintry showers, mostly on the hills and the mountains. Temperatures 3 in Lerwick, but 12 as we push down towards the south of England. By Saturday, well, a lot of dry weather around and a fair bit of sunshine with fewer showers. One thing you will notice is the change in the wind direction. High pressure has drifted a bit further east, so the wind is going to be coming up from the south, and that's a mild direction for us. So there's a recovery in the temperatures across the board. We're looking at 7 in Lerwick to 14 in London. But it's by the time we get to Sunday, the temperatures across the board again will be that bit higher. And somewhere in East Anglia or the southeast of England could hit 20 Celsius, way above average for this stage in April. Lou and Dan.
Oh, Carol, thank you so.
For most of us today, once again, it's going to be a fairly cloudy day. Now, we started off with some sunshine in southern England, but the cloud has been steadily moving south, and this cloud thick enough for the odd shower here and there. We also have a weak weather front moving across Scotland, sinking south, getting into southern Scotland and Northern Ireland with its cloud and patchy rain through the course of the day, and behind it brighter skies. The wind's starting to pick up. But temperatures today ranging from about 8 in the north to 12 in the south. Now, as we head through the evening and overnight, our weather front sinks a little bit further south, taking its cloud and patchy rain with it. The wind strengthens, especially so across Scotland, and we'll see a lot of showers coming in. As a result of all of this, we're not anticipating any problems with frost. But during the course of Thursday, across Scotland in particular, there'll be a significant wind chill. It's going to be very windy, and there'll be some showers. For the rest of us, fairly cloudy, but temperatures recovering by the weekend. Hello again. For most of us today, once again, it's going to be a fairly cloudy day. Now, we started off with some sunshine in southern England, but the cloud has been steadily moving south, and this cloud thick enough for the odd shower here and there. We also have a weak weather front moving across Scotland, sinking south, getting into southern Scotland and Northern Ireland with its cloud and patchy rain through the course of the day, and behind it brighter skies. The wind's starting to pick up. But temperatures today ranging from about 8 in the north to 12 in the south. Now, as we head through the evening and overnight, our weather front sinks a little bit further south, taking its cloud and patchy rain with it. The wind strengthens, especially so across Scotland, and we'll see a lot of showers coming in. As a result of all of this, we're not anticipating any problems with frost. But during the course of Thursday, across Scotland in particular, there'll be a significant wind chill. It's going to be very windy, and there'll be some showers. For the rest of us, fairly cloudy, but temperatures recovering by the weekend. Hello again. For most of us, it is going to be a fairly cloudy day. Now, the cloud is thick enough for the odd shower, but we've got a weak weather front moving across Scotland, getting into Northern Ireland later, introducing some patchy rain as it does so. So this afternoon, it is going to remain fairly cloudy. We've got some showers dotted around. There will be some breaks in this cloud, so some brightness occurring. But here's our weather front moving south across Scotland with its patchy rain, eventually getting into Northern Ireland with brighter skies following on behind. Now, wind strengths today, these are the averages you can see in the white circles, not particularly strong. However, later on, the wind will pick up. Temperature-wise, 8 in Lerwick to 12 as we sweep down towards Cardiff, Hull and also Aberdeen. So into the evening and overnight, our weather front continues to push southwards, taking its cloud and patchy rain with it. Then the wind really strengthens, especially across Scotland, blowing in a lot of showers. So as a result of all of this, it's not going to be a particularly cold night, and we're not anticipating any problems with frost. So tomorrow we still will have our weak weather front. Here it is here, draped across parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland, moving across Northern England. But behind it, look at those isobars. Wherever you are tomorrow, it is going to be windy, but especially so across Scotland, where there'll be a significant wind chill and some wintry showers. For England and for Wales, while we're looking at that weather front continuing its journey south, introducing thicker cloud and some patchy rain. Now, the black circles you can see now indicate the strength of the wind in gusts. So it's going to be a gusty, windy day wherever you are. And as I mentioned, a wind chill in the north will make it feel colder than these temperatures are suggesting, but still comparatively mild in the south, as indicated by the yellows here. But eventually they're pushed away as our weather front clears, the colder blues arrive. So for Friday, here's our weak weather front in the southern parts of England, South Wales, introducing the cloud and the patchy rain. For most of us, again, it will be fairly cloudy with some brighter breaks, some showers, not as windy, and the showers still wintry in the hills and mountains in Scotland. But by Saturday, high pressure has drifted further east, allowing milder air to come our way, and by Sunday, somewhere in the southeast could hit 20 degrees.